Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm going to show you how can you get Threads badge on your Instagram. So at first make sure that your Instagram app is downloaded to the latest version. If it is not, then the new Threads feature won't be shown in your Instagram. So first of all, just go to your Instagram. Click the bottom last your profile icon. Click the top right the three dash icon and click the second option Threads. Now click the bottom get Threads. Now just install Threads app. After installing the Threads app, click open. Now log in with your Instagram ID. Now click the bottom last your profile icon. Now if the Threads badge isn't showing here, you can just do another thing. Just take a screenshot from here and click the top right that two dash icon and click on help. Click on the first option report a problem. Now here you can see you can shake your phone to report a problem, or you can just toggle off it to disable. I'm gonna toggle off it to disable and click on report a problem. Click on include and continue. Now you can type here that your Threads badge isn't showing and you need help to get rid of this problem. And after that just click on upload. And you can just upload a screenshot that you have taken just now. And click the top right send. And after sending the help message, Threads authority will see your message and they will try to help you as soon as possible. So guys, that's how you can get Threads badge on Instagram. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.